yesterday we painted the boot lid, and today we have lots of accessories we can put on it. This morning I painted the fenders and they're over there drying, so we're going to play with this. What I've been doing is just using this contact adhesive and putting it on the back of this gasket and attaching it as we go around. It's not rocket science, but it does feel very old school putting glue on with a paintbrush. Best way I found to do it is put a good amount on there, a little section at a time, and then press it down in there. Then you can pull it up and it will spider web. You get these like pizza cheese. Talk about pizza again. And when you pull it up, that gives it a lot more air, more contact area to dry off quicker. And then you can push it down, and most of the time it'll stick. Fighting it a bit here. Also, some little clamps help. If you notice, I've started over on the side here. Naturally, you would think you'd put the seam down here at the bottom, but I saw a YouTube video, a guy doing a concourse restoration, and he said that this always started on the side, so why not? I'll try it on the side. It'll still be watertight enough.